Your bed broken? Is your bed broken? Huh?
I want to put gas in it.
You want to put gas in your bed? Your bed doesn't need gas. Only cars need gas.
Only cars need gas.
Yeah.
My car needs gas.
Where's your car?
My car needs gas.
But where is your car? I can't see your face. Can you take your hood off? Oh, there we go.
I need to see that picture.
Okay.
Did you fix your bed? It's all fixed?
No.
You better fix it.
It's all fixed.
Oh,
Okay.
good. Thank God.
Get a hammer.